Are you interested in arguing? Do you have a passion for human rights? Do you want to make a difference in your school, your community, and your country? If the answer is yes, then this is the competition for you. You will have to use your knowledge, skill, and talent to help Eric Molemo fight his case in court. In the made-up set of facts, he was expelled from his school after getting into trouble for bullying. It's your job to protect his right to education. You also have to argue the other side by making sure that the people that he bullied have their rights respected too. You will do this by arguing in a moot court. A moot court is the perfect way to show off your speaking skills. Each moot court has two teams that argue against each other. Each team has two members. One team is called the applicant. This is the team representing Eric. The other team is called the respondent. This team will represent Eric's school. You must therefore act like a lawyer representing your client in a challenging and exciting courtroom. You will make your case in front of a panel of judges. These sharp legal minds will ask you questions while you argue and decide who wins the case.
Necessarily competent as judicial authorities. So hence the right...
Where is the authority that requires judicial determination?
If I just may have a second, I can't find that.
The winning team must have good legal arguments and must be able to answer the judges' questions clearly. The team that wins will be the team that has the best, most logical legal arguments. Your arguments must therefore be based on law. You must use legislation and court cases to find these arguments. The Constitution is the highest and most important source of law in South Africa. Use it to prepare your arguments and to fight for the rights of your client. The more research you do, the better your team will perform. All you need is the guts to pretend to be a lawyer and the passion to fight your case. Doing a moot court teaches you to fight for your rights by using good, clear arguments. You will learn skills that you will use for the rest of your life. Who knows? Maybe you'll end up as a lawyer in the courtroom one day.
Doing moot courts has taught me to think differently, which has really helped me with my studies.
Moot court was so much fun and a life-changing experience.
Moot court has been quite an experience. I've been able to travel and meet different people from exciting places.
Hi, I entered Moot Court because I wanted to find out what it's really like to be a lawyer in real life and to see how the Constitution is implemented and not just what it looks like in theory and on paper. And through Moot Court, I learned to do some real research and how to think on my feet and how to really interact with the law and to find out what it does for the people of South Africa.
I entered Moot Court because I thought it would be a good experience for me, especially considering I'd like to be a lawyer. It taught me how to represent myself properly as an advocate. It teaches you the right vocab that you need to use as an advocate. So I think it's a good experience if you want to get that exposure and gain that confidence.
To get your legal career started, the prize for winning the whole competition is financial support towards your first year of legal studies at the university of your choice in South Africa.